Hey, this is Prerna. Today we're gonna talk about Make in India. It is effective? Question mark. This question is for me as well as for you. Like before talking about it is effective or not, we should know about Make in India. Like what is in Make in India? For whom? The purpose of Make in India. So Make in India is launched by our government, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 25th of September 2014. So, it is an initiative to make a call to the top business investor all across the world for investment in India. It is a big opportunity for all the investors to set up their business in any field, anywhere in the country. Now, the attractive plan has resourceful proposal for the foreign companies to set up manufacturing units in India. Make in India campaign launched by the Indian government focuses on building effective physical infrastructure. It has meant for improving the country to create a global hub of business. There is a symbol of Make in India. There is a giant lion having a wheel texture on it which indicates the peaceful progress and the way to the vibrant future of the country. Now the question comes again. Make in India is effective. Whatever I have concluded, for me it will be effective because the program was designed to transform the country into a global business hub, like because it contains attractive proposals for local as well as foreign companies. It is also providing skills enhancement in almost every sectors for improving the status of youth of the country. With the help of top investors, country will become completely self-dependent in the manufacturing sectors. It will definitely help for the growth of Indian GDP as to increase the value of Indian currency. Yes, it is true. Everything takes time to attain perfection. Due to this COVID, maybe this didn't work good, but it is having such a good points, strong points. It will be effective. If it will work, it will work. So this is my perspective, what I have concluded, what I have understand. Now you can share your comments also. You can also discuss about it, like what do you think about it. So thank you.